inside of you.
Blessings to all of you beautiful beings. It's Elena and I'm enchanted to have you be here on my channel. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, consider liking, subscribing, becoming part of my little YouTube family. And if you've been here before, hello and welcome back to each and every one of you amazing, fantastic, and incredibly beautiful souls right across the screen. Lots of love, lots of warm hugs, and hopefully you and yours are safe. On today's video, we are doing an unboxing and a review of Paxton Gate. So I'm gonna link up the video that happened last year. I ordered from them, it wasn't sponsored, nothing. I paid everything with my own money, went through the whole thing. It was a little bit unfortunate. They forgot half of my order, and then the second time the order came in, didn't really feel worth it. So it was not a great box at all. And then a representative from Paxton Gate, but this time from the San Francisco branch, saw my video and reached out to me, apologized for their unfortunate box, and said that it wasn't something that reflected their shop, and he offered to send me a new one so that I could hopefully get a better experience from their shop. I think so. So I really appreciate the generosity. That's very awesome, and I'm super grateful of you. I'm excited to share it with you guys on my YouTube channel so that you can see, because sometimes with mystery boxes, subscription boxes, there's a fluctuation between absolutely loving what's in there and kind of not resonating with it at all. And because it's like a mystery to you, I don't really see it as like a super negative impact, but I was disappointed in the previous year's box. So check out that video maybe before you watch this one to kind of see, compare and contrast, but I'm super excited what he's offering to share with me. Now, the other box that I ordered was from a different branch. I forget exactly where it was. I'm gonna pop up the location like right over here, but this one is from their San Francisco branch. So I'm excited. This is a box full of curiosities and interesting things. And sometimes they could be spiritual, crystals, bones, or other little tchotchkes, that sort of thing. The only thing I'm hoping that is not going to be in here is beetles or spiders, because they have like those framed. They're really cool looking, and if it's your thing, it's absolutely your thing. It is not my thing. When I did the previous box, I like filled out a little bit of a survey, kind of what I'm interested in and that sort of thing. This one, I did not. This one is a gift from them. But I think it's an equivalent to what I've ordered previously. Anyways, let's find out together. So I'm not entirely sure. And ta-da! We have some tissue paper. I like the sound of tissue paper. Oh, it smells good. All right, we got that. We got another tissue paper. I save these because I'm a hoarder of craft supplies and a DIYer of various things. And this will be fun to use for something. Okay, so let's see. We got their sticker. This one looks pretty cool. Not entirely sure whose skull, but sticker from them. And we have a bookmark. Yeah, a bookmark that says, "People are peculiar." Indeed. So that's pretty nifty. All right, now we have squiggles. I'm gonna put that somewhere else so it doesn't take up as much room. And I'm seeing some cool things in here. All right, let's unveil this together. Oh no, I got a beetle. That's okay. That's okay. It's a pretty one though. So I have a Tori Norina Flamia. It's a beautiful beetle. It's a beautiful bug. It is not something I like, but that's just my preference. But this is really, really cool, and I think gifting this to someone is going to be amazing. I'm just glad that it's not a spider, because that would be bad. But look at the way its wings are like shimmery and shiny. That is cool. But like I have goosebumps and okay. Yeah, moving on. We also have, ooh, what are you? Something astrological looking? I don't know. Let me show you the box before I dig into it in case I end up having to destroy it. Because me and boxes are not friends sometimes, if you've seen a couple previous of my videos. And oh, these are matches! In a very pretty box. Nope, that's not how I open it. This way. These are matches. I thought it kind of sounded like it, but I wasn't fully sure. And I see the little, the thingy that you spark the match with. Yeah, anyways. All right, so I got a really cool box of matches, and it's all sorts of, ooh, and they're like the long ones too. Oh, these are great. We're not gonna make a mess, but I do want to show you like the length of them, which is pretty cool. They're like really thick too. Perfect for candles and rituals. Isn't it funny how I'm more excited about matches than crawly thingy? Let's see. I see a really cool thing here, and it is a hi puppy. I'm coming to hang out. That's Solstice. A horn. I wonder who this horn reminds me of. Maybe it's an antelope? I don't know. I wonder if they have anything with like descriptions or information in here. But this is cool. This alone is like a really cool thing. I don't fully remember how much I'm gonna pop up the how much I paid for the previous box, but already based on this, it seems like this box will be a little bit more expensive because this is a cool, just the size of it is a cool thing. That's exciting. All right, I see another super cool thing. And this is large, pretty. I'm surprised it's not like wrapped in bubble wrap or something. Okay, so this is an ammonite, and it is super cool. At least I think it's super cool. And it's a decent size too. Nice, and I love the little crystal inclusions in it. Cool. So this is a ancient fossil. It is a crystallized ancient fossil. That's awesome. Then, ooh, I see a bone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This, I'm a little bit upset that it's not wrapped and protected because of that. So it's, maybe I'll find more teeth in there. I would have hoped that they would have protected this because yes, it's a bone, but it's very dry and very fragile and lost a tooth. Poor guy. But stick it back in there. Nope, it's the wrong way. Nifty. All right, this is a possum skull. Yo, that is cool. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna show it together. Make sure I latch the teeth in best of my abilities, but it wouldn't be disconnected if it actually had flesh. But here is that. I have to be like really, really careful with it. This is amazing. And then I'm going to show it to you in pieces so that you could see like the inside of it. Oh my god. Guys, this is the coolest thing ever. That is awesome. It's missing one more tooth. Maybe it's in there. I will do my best to find it. But that is so cool. Like I said, curiosities, bones. What is it about some practitioners, such as myself, that sure, we like crystals, we like herbs, we like, you know, butterflies, and we like bones. Are you a liking bones type of person? That is cool. That is so cool. That is very, very cool. I am very thankful for your box. All right, we also have maybe another tooth? I'm not sure what this is. It may be, I do think it's another tooth. I just don't know whose tooth and if it has something that it's connected to. But it does look like a tooth. I first thought it might be like a little horn thing, but I do think it's a tooth. Okay, what else do we got? We have a crystal, an aura quartz crystal that has a little tip missing. Is it from this one? No, this one doesn't have the aura cover on it. So this is like a natural forming wand shape crystal, and it is a clear quartz that has been coated with this aura, like colorful rainbowy sheen. So the rainbowy sheen is a man-made addition to this crystal, which is pretty cool. Shiny. Who else do we have in here? Or what else do we have in here? We have more teeth. I'm not fully sure what kind of crystal this is, but it does look familiar. If it doesn't have something written in there, I will pop up the name next to it. But it looks nice and pretty. I like it. I like the pattern of it. It's like growth and formation. There's another tooth. I've been, I don't know whose tooth it is. It's definitely too big to be this guy's tooth, but we do have another tooth, which is really, really cool. It's a very big tooth, so whoever this was attached to, and it's a molar. Was it relatively large animal, and based on like the pointiness of it, it's most likely possibly a carnivorous animal? I don't know, because carnivorous animals need like the sharpness, the canines to like chew through meat. But herbivores have more of like flatter teeth to be able to mush the grass. I think I am not an animal tooth expert. I'm a little bit of a human tooth expert. I've been a dental assistant for a while and in the dental field for a very long time. But those are my thoughts. All right, we got more squiggles to unveil. Now I gotta be careful, make sure I'm not losing any teeth. Oh, we should be good. All right, we have more squiggles. Oh, something fell. Unveiling things. Oh boy. I would definitely say that the value of this box is much more than the mystery box that I've ordered before. We have 2 sets of incense, uplifting blend of fir and needle and cedarwood atlas. Ooh, an intimate blend of patchouli, lavender, and citrus. Ooh. All right, so these are incense sticks, stinky sticks. I'm only gonna show you like one of them because that one's gonna look the exact same way, and it's not like there's smell-o-vision where you can smell it. But I will explain to you, to the best of my abilities, how it smells. It smells really good. Definitely getting that like citrusiness to it. It smells really good. There's citrusy to it. There's a little bit of that patchouli, some lavender, but mainly that like florally citrusiness. I really like it. It smells good. I know I'm gonna like that one because I love fir needle and like cedarwood smells. Let's see. Give this a sniff. It smells like the forest floor. Oh, that smells really, really good. That definitely smells really, really good. Aroma profile, rain-kissed forest. Yes, absolutely. Let me show you a close-up of it. So I'm gonna show it sideways so that the screen can like pick up most of it. This is the back of it. It has some like associations and information on it. Oh, geez. Same thing with this. And the back of it. Very cool. These smell really good. All right, on to the next little curio guy. We have another crystal, and I assume, this. It has lost this from there. From right there. I have figured out the puzzle piece. Oh! So we have another crystal. I'm not fully sure what this one is. It kind of looks like quartz, but the tips of it make me, like, remind me of apophyllite. So I'm really unsure what this one is. I hope they have something that like describes some of these items and kind of like at least tells you whose teeth I have. What else we got? We got another crystal. Ooh. Oh, this one is nice. Possibly a calcite of some sort. So that's kind of cool. Color of it is interesting.
A few moments later.
I'm not entirely sure if this is a calcite because the coloring of it isn't exactly even. This makes me think a little bit that it could be a heat-treated quartz of some sort, because there's darker colorings like in like the cracks and crevices of it. I don't know what to say. The formations of it look like a quartz, but it could possibly be either dyed or heat treated. Let me give this another glance. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. I apologize. I'm not super great with crystals, but if there's any crystal experts out there, maybe you could provide some better insight into it. So that is that. We also have, who do we have? Maybe turquoise? A little turquoise stone mineral. Lots of rocks editions. Fun. Oh, they tossed in a bunch. They definitely tossed in a bunch of these. That is cool. Then we have a citrine, a heat-treated citrine. So it's a man-made citrine. So the process of this crystal to turn it into citrine is like heat treating an amethyst. But that's a fun addition. Cool. I like the polishing. It gives it like extra shininess to it. We also have, ooh, a geode. I appreciate that they put the rubber band around it. Oh, these are some of my favorite type of quartz. Especially, oh, this one is amazing. The little petite crystals in it. Oh, the formations inside of this one are stunning. They're like the most perfect miniature points. That's awesome. This is a good one. So I'll show you this half. I do hope my camera can focus in on those teeny tiny little points. Oh, they're great. They're formed so perfectly. All right, I'm gushing over a geode. And same thing with this one. Like, they're just beautifully formed. Absolutely beautifully formed.
Someone you know is at the front door.
So someone I know is at the front door. I'll be back. My husband came home. That's what that was. Someone I know is at the front door. Was at the front door. All right, we also have a couple tumbled stones. Oh boy. Oh, I do wish they wrapped at least some of these because kyanite is very fragile. This is a nice piece of kyanite. I'm glad it arrived in one piece. Or at least like bundled all of the crystals into like one bubble wrap so that they won't be bouncing around. So kyanite, I know that one. Then I don't really know this one. There's a couple crystals that look like this, so I'm not fully sure what that one is, nor what this one is. Okay, so I'll do research. If I figure it out, I'm gonna pop it up. If not, they're gonna be a mystery rock and I'll see just what their energies feel like and how to work with them. So there's this tumble. Then there is this pretty, whoops, pretty blue one. And there is this little polka dotted pretty blue one. So cool. I don't need the rubber band. It's gonna be in one of the good spots that I can see every day. by my plants. I put most of my quartz crystals by my plants and I just love it. Then there's this one. Oh, we know the name of this one. I can't. I'm gonna put the name up next to it. I know the name of this one. I just can't think of it. So there's that pretty green one. Matches the green and plants in my blanket fell down. That's okay. Then there's orange zest and bergamot apothecary candles and amber and smoke. I assume these are candles? Yes. Burn within sight. I like the little jars. Orange zest and bergamot. Definitely hand poured and handmade. Oh, this one smells so good. It reminds me of shampoo I used to have. It's very citrusy and just light and airy. Oh, it smells really, really good. Close that up. Show you the little jar. Let me show you the inside of the candle too. Okay. Now this one is amber and smoke. Definitely has that like woodsy smokiness to it. But also some sort of softness to it. Almost a little bit of sweetness, so it's like kind of sweet and smoky. It smells really, really good. I'll show you the inside of it. And then the outside of it. This explains the matches. Okay, we also have, another relatively fragile stone that has a piece missing. So this is an aragonite crystal. My phone keeps shutting off. I have like my camera's over there and my little screen is over here, so it's doing weird things. An aragonite crystal, and the formations of it are stunning. They're so clear and crisp, like these beautiful little hexagons. Nice. Oh, I really like this one. This is a very pretty piece. I like this one. Definitely like that one. All right, who else do we have in here? I'm gonna go through that like later. Make sure I'm not missing any teeth. All right, we have a couple more. That's a part of the aragonite. I'm gonna keep it there. A couple more little crystals. This one is either a calcite or maybe a fluorite. I'm not sure. And this one is another heat-treated citrine. So there's that one. Again, if I find the names to it and feel relatively comfortable about it, I'm gonna pop them up like next to them when I show the crystals. Otherwise, it might be a mystery. But if you ever do get crystals and you're not sure what the crystal is, meditate with it and sense its energies and work with it through your intuition alone. And sometimes that could even be a little bit better, and you will connect with the crystal more than if you got something specifically for its meaning. I mean, there's pros and cons to both of the sides, but just because you have a crystal that you don't know what it is, that doesn't mean you can't work with it and you can't use it. Okay, I think that was it. Oh, no, I found a tooth. This is the possum's other tooth. Yes. Your dentures are complete. Or your... Does it go this way? It's the other way. We have all of its teeth now. Ta-da! Then there's a rose quartz. Another possible quartz. Piece of aragonite. A piece of whatever that one was, and a couple like little chips and pieces of the crystals and things like that. That one is from that one, I assume. So this is a rose quartz. It's a nice, cute little raw chunk of it. Then we have has a little, I'm not sure if this is quartz because it's just not, I'm not feeling quartz vibes from it. So this might be apophyllite. Same with that one. Again, because of like the way that the points are forming, I'm not entirely sure, but clear crystals like this is kind of difficult to tell apart, and I'm not sure if my gem tester will pick it up. If it will, I'm not sure if it has different densities or not, or different like heat wavelengths. If it will, great. I might have a bit more of a sense of what these are. If not, then, well, intuitively. All right, that is it. Get another piece. That is it. Let me know what you guys think about this box. I love it. I definitely love it. I'm extremely grateful for it since it was a gift from them. I'm not sponsored by them. It was just their way of kind of, I don't know, I guess apologizing. So I don't feel comfortable comparing this box to the other box that I got because that one was more of like a mystery curio box based on the price you paid for it. I'm not sure what the price of this box is, but based on this beautiful, very well preserved skull and this horn and this ammonite, it definitely seems like a box that's worth more, but I'm not entirely sure. I love these wonderful things added to my collection. I am disappointed that they don't have anything that kind of explains what is. So I have like 2 random teeth and a couple crystals that I'm not fully sure about. It would be nicer if they provided at least like a list, doesn't even have to be with pictures or anything like that, at least a list of what's in the box. And I hope they do that if you actually purchase something, because last time they had it on the receipt. So that kind of helped me figure out what I had. So maybe they do that when you actually purchase something and they provide the receipt with you and all that information. But to me, it's a mystery and I'm going to go and discover things. Anyways, I am, like I said, grateful for this box. I love most of it, except that bug. And let me know what your favorite part is, what your thoughts are. How do you feel about this box compared to the box I had last year? And with that, I shall see you on my next video. If you made it all the way to the end, put down an emoji in the comment section below of some kind of animal that has like sharp teeth. I don't know, I think, put a cat, maybe a deer. Does it have a deer? Are there deer emoji? Something with antlers. I don't know. Put down some kind of animal down in the comment section below to let me know that you made it all the way to the end. And with that, I'll see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye.